Hello children, this is the chapter 13 of Unit 3 Algebra from Viva Education Publication textbook for class 6. It is for ICSE curriculum. So please start. I'm going to start my video. The presentation for chapter 13 linear equation in one variable. To write a given statement in algebraic form, that is the first unit, replace words by letters and symbols. For example, for the statement x when subtracted from 7 gives 3 is written in algebraic form as 7 minus 3x equal to 3. So x when subtracted from 7 gives 3 will be written as 7 minus x equal to 3. Now example, write the algebraic form of the given statement. 7 added to y gives 20. The solution for that is y plus 7 equal to 20. Twice a number x when divided by 5 equals to 3. The solution of that is twice a number means 2x divided by 5 means upon 5 equal to 3. So 2x upon 5 equal to 3. 5 times y increased by 5 equals 30. Increase means addition. So 5 times a number means 5y plus 5 equal to 30. D. A number decreased by 5 gives 15. Let the variable be x for a number. So its algebraic form is x minus 5, because decreased by 5 means minus 5 equal to 15. Now to write a statement for a given algebraic form, that is the another thing, another unit. Replace the letters and symbols by words. For example, x plus 5 equal to 6 can be written in words as 5 added to a number x gives 6. Now examples for that we'll see. Write a suitable statement for the given algebraic form. 7 minus x equal to 5. The solution is a number x subtracted from 7 gives 5. 2x plus 50 equal to 100. Twice a number x when increased by 50 results in 100. Then 5z upon 3 equal to 6. The solution for that is 5 times z when divided by 3 equal to 6. 15 divided by x equal to 5, that is 15 upon x equal to 5. So 15 divided by x equals 5. Linear equation in one variable. Let's see what is that. An equation is a mathematical statement which shows the equality of two expressions. An equation always has an equality sign, and the expression on the left hand side is equal to the expression on the right hand side. For example, 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 5 and 5 minus 3y square equal to negative 1 are equations. A linear equation, what does that means? A linear equation is an equation which consists of variables, that is literals, with highest power 1. For example, 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So x has 1 power, y also has 1 power. Then 3x minus 5 equal to 4 and x minus 5 equal to 2y plus 3. So all these variables have only 1 power. Are linear equations. A linear equations, we are going to now study about linear equation in one variable, not in two variables. So a linear equation with one variable is called as a linear equation in one variable. For example, 2x minus 1 equal to 3. 3y square equal to 27. X minus 7 equal to negative 3x plus 9 are linear equations in one variable. See, in all the three equations, only one variable, that is x in the first case, second case there is y, and the third place again x. Properties of equation. If the same quantity is added to both the sides of an equation, then the sums are equal. For example, if x is equal to y, then x plus z equal to y plus z. If the same quantity is subtracted from both the sides of an equation, then the differences are equal. For example, if x is equal to y, then x minus z equal to y minus z. If the same quantity is multiplied to both the sides of an equation, then the products are equal. For example, if x is equal to y, then x multiplied by z will be equal to y multiplied by z, that is xz equal to yz. Fourth property. If both the sides of an equation are divided by a non-zero quantity, then the quotients are equal. For example, if x is equal to y, then x divided by z equal to y divided by z, or x upon z equal to y upon z. Z is a non-zero quantity. Transposition of terms of an equation. The term from any side of the equation is shifted to other side of the equation by changing the sign. This is called transposition. For example, x plus 5 equal to 7. That implies x is equal to 7 minus 5. Now there is no equal to sign before the solving the equation. We have to put implies. Implies means next statement what it will be. Y minus 8 equal to 3 implies y is equal to 3 plus 8. So we are changing the sign while transposing it on the other side of the equation. Constant will be always on the right side and the variables will be on the left hand side. 7m equal to 15. That implies m is equal to 15 divided by 7, because 7 multiplied by m, that is 7m. So we have to use the opposite sign, that is division. N upon 6 equal to 4 implies n is equal to 4 into 6, because that is multiplication and first it was division. So it will change while transposition, we change the sign and it will be taken to the other side. Solution of an equation. The value of a variable used in an equation which satisfies the given equation is known as solution of the equation. For example, the equation x plus 4 equal to 5 has x is equal to 1 as the solution, because 1 plus 4 gives you 5 equal to 5. So therefore, when both the sides are equal, that particular solution will it be satisfied. The equation 5z upon 3 equal to 10 has z equal to 6 as the solution, because 5 multiplied by 6, that is 5z, divided by 3, 5 6 are 30, 30 divided by 3 gives you 10. So both LHS and RHS are equal, so therefore that satisfies the solution z equal to 6. Solving linear equation in one variable. To solve a linear equation in one variable, collect all the terms containing the variable literal on one side of the equation and constant terms on the other side. Then divide both the sides of the equation by the resulting coefficient of the variable. Examples. X plus 6 equal to 10. Solution is x plus 6 equal to 10 implies x equal to 10 minus 6. That is equal to x is equal to 4. Y plus 3 equal to 1 minus y. So the left hand side is y plus 3 and the right hand side is 1 minus y. So we have to gather all the variables on one side. So solution will be, it implies y plus y, because y and the other side, that is in the right hand side, there is negative y. So that when it comes to the left hand side, it will be positive y. So y plus y equal to 1 minus 3. Same way, plus 3 will become negative 3. So 2y, y plus y is 2y equal to negative 2. And when you divide 2y by 2 and negative 2 by 2, you will get y equal to negative 1. Now see example. 10x upon 3 plus 3 equal to 13. Solution of that, it implies 10x upon 3 equal to 13 minus 3. So 10x upon 3 equal to 10. So 10x is equal to 3 into 10. So 10 upon 10x equal to 30, that is. So 10x upon 10 equal to 30 upon 10, and that gives you x equal to 3 as the solution of this equation. Verification of the solution. Example. First example, 3 into bracket x minus 1 equal to 6. That implies 3, we have to first open the bracket. So 3x minus 3 equal to 6. That implies 3x equal to 6 plus 3, adding 3 to the right hand side. So we get 3x equal to 9. And therefore 3x divided by 3 equal to 9 divided by 3 gives you x equal to 3. Now verification of this solution, whether it is correct. So 3 into bracket, LHS is 3 into bracket, x is 3 minus 1, that is 3 into 2 is equal to 6, which is equal to RHS. You can see that. Hence verified that x equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation, because LHS is equal to RHS. Now the next example. Y upon 7 plus 1. First equation we have to solve. 2, 1 upon 7. That implies y upon 7 plus 1 will go to the other side, and I have converted that mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 15 upon 7 minus 1. That implies y upon 7 is equal to 15 upon 7 minus 1 gives you, so 2 1 upon 7 minus 1, that is 1 1 upon 7, and 1 1 upon 7 is nothing but 8 upon 7. And therefore, since the denominator of both the sides is equal, the numerators will be automatically equal. We don't have to multiply or divide here by anything. Just y is equal to 8 if you can write, it will be better. Otherwise, multiply both the sides by 7. That is also one of the methods which we can use. So both the sides, if you multiply by 7, 7 gets cancelled, and therefore y is equal to 8. Verification. LHS is equal to, now y, since y is equal to 8, we have substituted that 8 upon 7 plus 1, and that is 15 upon 7, because 7 is the LCM, and 7 ones are 7, so 8 plus 7 is 15 upon 7, and that is 2 1 upon 7, and which is equal to RHS. Hence verified that y is equal to 8, since LHS is equal to RHS. Now we will be doing 13.1 exercise in my another presentation, next presentation in part 2 of chapter 13, linear equation in one variable, because otherwise it will be too much, because 13.1 exercise is very, very big, and therefore I am discontinuing this here, and I will be recording my PowerPoint presentation from the next slide in the part 2 of chapter 13.